Alice couldn't wait for the arrival of Christmas. The entire city was filled with a festive atmosphere. She wore a sparkling red dress, brimming with anticipation. Outside the window, snowflakes were falling, and the Christmas tree sparkled with colorful lights. Alice felt the magic of this special night. Suddenly, a strange jingling sound echoed. She turned around to see her toy cupboard door slightly ajar, and a fluffy little bear walked out. "Hi, Alice," the little bear said joyfully. It turned out to be the spokesperson for the toys, bringing special adventures to children every Christmas Eve. "Would you like to join our Christmas adventure?" the little bear asked, its eyes sparkling with anticipation. Without hesitation, Alice nodded, and so, she embarked on a magical journey with the little bear. They traversed a snow-covered landscape, encountering a group of friendly elves who presented Alice with a shimmering Christmas star. Next, they arrived in a land of chocolate, where chocolate waterfalls emitted a charming aroma. Unable to resist, Alice took a bite, feeling an instant warmth and sweetness. Finally, they reached Santa's home, a giant workshop made of candies. Santa warmly welcomed them, inviting Alice to participate in the gift-wrapping activities. When all the gifts were ready, Santa gave Alice a golden Christmas present containing a special blessing. "This is your special Christmas gift, Alice. I hope you can pass this warmth on to others," Santa said kindly. Alice took the gift, feeling grateful. She returned home with the little bear, finding her house filled with the warm atmosphere of Christmas. At the bedside, she placed the special blessing under the Christmas tree, closed her eyes, and felt the tranquility of Christmas Eve. The Christmas Eve adventure came to an end, but Alice was left with beautiful memories. On this special night, she learned the importance of sharing and caring, a story that would accompany her throughout her life.